I coach highly intelligent individuals, and they all have this one thing in common, and that is that they do not think that they are intelligent. Which is kind of funny because you would think that you would know if you're highly intelligent. But quite many of my clients come to see me just to get that confirmation of their intelligence. And I totally get it, because when you talk about high intelligence, it's not necessarily always received so well. So if you're having trouble with your intelligence, your high intelligence, it can be quite difficult to find, appropriate support that's open-minded and, able to give you that support with that high intelligence. And quite many of my clients have learned to feel ashamed of their intelligence. Maybe they've been bullied and, they received the message that it's better to hide your intelligence than perform well and be smart. And when you keep receiving that message over and over again, that there's something wrong with you, there's something wrong with your high intelligence, you shouldn't be so intelligent, you start to forget that you are highly intelligent. And when you start to forget that you are highly intelligent, all kinds of other problematic issues arise. Like you stop accepting yourself. You think there's something wrong with you, like you're flawed, like, you should be different, but you aren't, and you're having trouble being different because you're not. And then you start to form these other identities that have nothing to do with that authentic, highly intelligent self that's, still inside of you, that you've forgotten, that you've abandoned, basically. And you try to live somebody else's life instead of your own. And then you're wondering, why do I have so much anxiety? Why am I experiencing burnout syndrome? Why am I having all these emotional issues? Why am I struggling to fit in? You're struggling to fit in because you are not who you're supposed to be. You're playing a character. So then my job is to help these individuals find themselves, the authentic person there, the authentic, highly intelligent individual that's deep inside there still, a little bit hiding, but we can get that person out of there and, start living and start embracing their high intelligence and embracing their authentic life and, create remarkable things.